In front of me is Honorpad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading this app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up and click on this gear at the top left corner to operate all of those options. You can check out Preview on the right. When you finished, click at the bottom right corner, choose Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Yes in the pop-up. Then hit Apply at the bottom and go back. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!